Hi guys.
Hello guys, we're here sa East Twin Beach Club. Dito kami mag-merienda. So, dito lang din siya sa El Nido banda. Yan. Dito yung restaurant nila. Then, meron silang parang villa type yung mga yan. Parang 2.5 ata per night. Then, meron silang dalawang pool. Kid pool and pang-adult na pool. Much bigger. Mas bigger yung itong adult pool. Ayan, ito yung adult pool. Then, doon, beach na to. Front beach na yan. So, let's see later. Pag hindi na mainit. So, let's see later pag hindi na mainit. Punta kami dyan sa beach. So, ayan. Magdo-drone siya. Dadalhin ko sa pool? Basa eh. Kukunin natin yung drone.
Didn't think I'd ever get this far. Didn't think I'd ever find the one. I never thought I'd heal from a broken heart. No, never did I ever think I'd heal these scars. Did you think that on the night we met that you be promised to never forget? Now I'm chilling, sitting, riding shotgun with those three little words slipping right up your tongue. Oh, don't matter where we're going, all I know is wanna ride it with you. Take off in the evening, rolling, live in the moment, just live in the moment. Don't matter what.
It took courage, it took years, it took learning language and naming fear. It took leaving, it took you, it took hanging fairy lights and wild truths. I know it's scary, but darling, I'm not scared at all. It's kinda fun, and it's kinda funny. I couldn't be more different from you. Look at me, but when you look at me, it almost feels like you have known me. Forever in my bones you'll be. I won't have to be so lonely. From now until we're old, I'm home. It took growing, it took tears, it took fitting wrongly, then choosing real. It was painful, it was good, it
I don't need to talk about my past times all the time. Look what happened, thought about it till my mind ran dry. How did I get under my skin? Where do I begin? Please give me a chance to understand.
So, it's, it's 4 to 5 p.m. na siguro. Or 3 to 4 p.m. So, na namin to, early breakfast siguro. Pero, light lang yung in-order namin. Early dinner pala, hindi early hindi early breakfast. So, early dinner. Nabubulol na ako. Tapos, lang kasi wala yung chef nila. So, nag-order lang kami ng chicken finger, then fries, then quesadilla. Then, yung isa? Kalimutan ko yung order na isa. Bacon sandwich. So, wala kasi yung chef niya. So, ayan. Maganda dito. Kaso, parang hindi ko alam kung may signal siya. May konting signal. Pero may wifi sila. Dito lang to sa East Wind Beach Club. So, ayan. Ayan o, ang daming dragonfly. In Tagalog, tutubi. Ayan. Super dami ang dragonfly. Ano kasi ito parang, ayan, parang siyang farm, garden. Parang ganun yung type niya. Ganda dito, sobra. Ewan ko yung beach part lang, kung white sand. So, ito yung kainan nila. Tutor ko kayo. Tapos yan, small bar. Tapos may ilang table. So guys, papunta kami sa dagat. Ito yung kanilang big pool. Ganda. Busog. Super busog. Parang ano nila, garden. Then may mga playground pang bata. Then, may slide. May swing. Tsaka ito. Hindi ko kayo tawag dyan. Tapos meron silang volleyball court. Then meron silang basketball court also. Tapos ewan ko ano to, kung gym ba yan or what. Matching tuloy ako. Yay! Ito na yung dagat. Look at that. Ang daming aso. Sunset na. So, ayan. We're here na sa beach. Medyo malayo yung dagat. So, oh, look at that. This is the beach. Ayan ang beach. Grabe yung busog. Kumain kami ng quesadilla, chicken fingers, fries, and bacon sandwich. So, hindi kami nag-rice for today's video, pero parang naka-rice na rin kami sa sobrang daming order. So, ayan. Babaw lang.
Ano yung kanilang sandok?
Pino.
Hindi makapal. Kaya pa naglakad ka, hindi ka magkakasama.
Babaw lang. Dito walang alon. Meron pa din sa kabila, oh. Ito na ata yung si Baltan. So guys, pabalik na kami ng mismong ano. Ito yung beach front nila. Ayan. Low tide kasi kaya super layo ng water. Ang dagat. Pero ito part na siya ng ano eh. Ito. Pag high tide part na siya ng dagat. Lawak ng kanyang sandbar. Sandbar ba tawag dyan? So, I think hanggang dito na yung dagat. Kasi basa-basa pa siya yun. Ayun, basa-basa pa. Nakikita nyo. I think hanggang dito yung ano. Dito, sa white na to. Maabot dito yung tubig. O dito, sa kabila. Dito, dyan. So, yeah, pabalik na kami. Ganda dito, very peaceful sa East Wind Beach Club. Dilim na. Ano yan? Punta siya ng tree house. Ay, hindi pala siya tree house. Basta bahay. Ano meron dyan? Massage area. Ito sa taas, massage area. So, ito din yung dinaanan namin kanina. May mga court. So, ayan. Pabalik na kami sa restaurant kasi dun malapit yung parking area. Yun lang guys. May nagturo kasi sa amin ito kung saan to. Yung kinakainan namin sa Socorro View Deck. So, tinuro niya sa amin to. Na meron nga ganitong magandang spot. So, ayan. Dito sa Palawan, maraming bat. Ayan o, maraming paniki tuwing hapon. Lalo sa Puerto Princesa. Naglalabasan ang mga paniki. Diba? Look at the sunset. Oh. So guys, nandito kami sa St. Francis of Assisi Parish. Wow! Ganda ka. Wala. Wala akong dalang cash. Kaso wala ito.
I know that these feelings won't go away. I'm feeling the vibe I can't explain. You know the way around my body. You know the way around my body. Yeah, yeah, the way around my body. You know the way around my body. The way around my body.
Hotel. Kakarating lang namin. And yun lang. See you on my next vlog. Bye!